It is more important today than ever for you guys to have a good value proposition of education, because it should be probably the #1 benefit. We need to transition from I only get my board membership so that I can have the MLS to I have my membership because I get good education and I can continue to move my business forward. And sure, I get the MLS and all the other things that we get, right? It's imperative that we bring good instructors. It's imperative that we bring the classes that they need. Have you ever sat in the class and the instructor was not amazing, and about halfway through you're like, I just need to stay awake. Oh, okay, I just need to stay awake. I can do this, I can stay awake, right? It's so important that not only do you have somebody that's got good information and they're a subject matter expert, but that they can present well to the students and that they can connect well with the students, right? Why are incredible instructors indispensable? But not only that, how can that make you indispensable in your job, right? Because if your job is to bring the educational component to your members, you got to make sure that you're bringing education that they want to come back for.